From the left side, bring the first cord over both center cords, and from the right side, take the first cord over the left cord and pull it under both center cords, pulling the right cord through the left loop. Tighten it. Now follow the same process on the right side. Leave a 2-inch gap and create another square knot. Continue following this process. Now, hold the center cords tightly and pull all the square knots up toward the gap you left. This will create a beautiful pattern.